Right now, Florida is in the height of orange season, and the groves are full of juicy as can be fruit ready to be shipped to our markets. And since I'm a big orange lover, no matter where they come from, I thought it'd be the perfect time to make a light as can be dessert that will help us get out of the winter blues. We begin by beating together cream cheese and Greek yogurt until creamy. To that, we add in some heavy cream and powdered sugar and whip it until it's fluffy. We beat in some orange juice along with fresh orange zest and a bit of unflavored gelatin that we dissolved in water. After this comes together, we pour it into an 8-inch square pan lined with a homemade graham cracker crust and pop it in the fridge. While it's chilling, we dip orange segments that we patted dry with paper towel in some melted chocolate. When we cut this creamy, dreamy orange favorite into squares and top each piece with a chocolate-dipped orange, get ready to say goodbye to the winter blues. So head over to our website and type in chocolate-kissed orange squares. It's that easy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the Grove way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.